You can now find Addfield incinerators in more than 150 countries, offering genuinely sustainable disposal solutions for hospitals, medical centers and clinics of various sizes. These incinerators are commonly established directly at the healthcare facility or operated independently alongside other local waste disposal facilities. This particular facility has been established as part of a project supporting Sustainable Environmental Works Company Limited, one of Saudi Arabia's leading environmental services and waste management companies. Situated in Al-Johfa, in the western region of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, this installation consists of 2 high-capacity C200 Clinical waste incinerators. This area is already well known for its landfills and accessibility for various waste management service providers, and this installation is another step towards continued improvements in environmental sustainability and security. These C200 incinerators included automatic ram-charged loading systems alongside advanced flue gas cleaning Venturi wet scrubbers to dramatically reduce the impact on the environment, releasing only clean gases back into the air and provide a far more reliable solution to the current waste problems in the area. Due to the location of the installation being more open to the elements than usual, specially designed containers have been used to house the control panels, creating fully equipped and comfortable control rooms for the operators. Sustainable Environmental Works Company Limited already has extensive experience in safely disposing of non-recyclable waste, operating a 1.5 ton per hour rotary incinerator from the same location. This additional installation of 2 C200 medical and hazardous incinerators was selected to provide the opportunities to dispose of a wider range of hazardous waste for a greater number of customers, an essential installation for the future of the plant. The decision to choose Addfield incinerators focused on the clear design of the machines and straightforward installation processes, coupled with ongoing support from our design and construction teams. The decision to work with Addfield was influenced by our proven track record in the Middle East, unique design, low emissions, further enhanced by Venturi wet scrubbers, and our famous commitment to providing after-service and rapid access to spares from our UK head office. The support extends throughout installation, operation, and regular maintenance, with a global network of engineers available and our register of international distributors. In this instance, the project involved collaboration between Addfield and our distributors for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia Environmental and Industrial Technologies (EIT). As the environmental emission monitoring and control standards of Addfield machines are set to such a high standard following UK guidelines which are some of the most restrictive in the world, the installation was able to achieve full approval from the National Centre for Waste Management, the regulators for Saudi Arabia. The combined installation of 2 incinerators has the capacity to destroy up to 400 kilograms of contaminated medical, clinical, and hazardous waste. This solution addresses the significant need for proper waste disposal in Al-Johfa, allowing general hospitals and health clinics to send their waste for sustainable disposal through various waste management services.